Mr. Kitty!
Gotta actually get it.
Oh my gosh, it's not Mr. Kitty.
What happened to catching
I
it?
don't know. There we go. Drop it. Come on, drop it. Drop the darn thing. Lady. Good job.
Good boy.
Drop it. Drop the darn thing. Drop it. He won't give it up.
Drop it. Oh.
Good
I
throw.
think he's doing exactly what she's doing to him, to her.
Get it, mister.
He's like, where did it go? Backflip.
Oh, he's trying to find it. Find it. Find it, Mr. Kitty. Did it fall into the mattress?